Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Prince.
Sir, today my topic is a child mind is not a container to filled with information.
Yes. Yes, I understand. Actually, what happens nowadays, the education system has a little bit, need to be amended.
What is the meaning of
I
amended?
tell you, to be changed a little bit. Why I'm telling you, the phrase "a child's mind is not a container to be filled with information, but a fire to be ignited or to be kindled" suggests that a true education must ignite the mind of the child, create curiosity, and make the child exploring, information through his creativity, not through simply feeding the information. What is happening now? You ask,
What
what
is
is
it?
the modern education doing? You are also an engineering student now. Every lecture is based on information. Am I right?
Right, sir.
But information is exploding everywhere. Even if you switch on to any site, educational site, you'll get a lot of information. Am I right?
Right, sir.
So education doesn't mean feeding information to the mind of the child. All the time you are feeding with information. So the cognitive aspect of child's mind is developed. Knowledge is coming, but creativity and exploring things, ideas by his own curiosity. What I am telling you, jigyasa. A child must have his own ability to explore ideas. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
So if you are making the lecture or if you are making the education simply information based, there will be one aspect of development, cognitive knowledge.
Acha.
Knowledge of the child will improve. But what about creativity? What about his own potential? So the phrase emphasizes nurturing a child's inner potential and creativity rather than treating the child as a simple vessel to be filled with information. It is a metaphor, I tell you. The statement is a metaphor, which implies that child's mind इज नाउ बीइंग फेड विथ इंफॉर्मेशन. कहीं भी जाइए, किसी भी क्लास में, आप इंजीनियरिंग क्लास में जाइए, मेडिकल क्लास में जाइए, सब जगह बच्चे को इंफॉर्मेशन ही दिया जा रहा है. इवन इन क्लास 1 to 5 or 5 to 10 or 10 to 12, you will find that the teacher emphasize on giving information on different topics. Am I right or not?
Right, sir.
But the real potential of the child cannot be ignited simply by feeding the child's mind with information. It needs to be, it needs to rather develop creativity and treating the child's mind as something to be ignited with the fire of knowledge. Let the child understand the importance of his own potential and energy, exploring ideas beyond expectations. So education must be aimed at igniting the mind of the child, developing creativity in the child. Now you ask, sir, why
Sir,
is the phrase?
yes, sir. Why is the phrase container versus fire?
Yes. See, actually, what is happening? We are treating the child as a passive learner. Passive learner means not active learner. Means the child will listen to whatever information we are
Difference?
feeding.
What is the difference? Passive.
See, passive
Passive or
learner
active learning?
only listens to the information. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आप सुन रहे हैं, लेकिन आपका पार्टिसिपेशन कहाँ है? Your participation must be there when you are asking question, when you are putting questions, when you are exploring ideas and asking me question. Your potential is tested. What I am telling you, interaction should not be one-sided, and it not should be only meant for passive listening. Let the child be involved in the process of learning, and let the child's mind be ignited. Let the child's mind be fired to make certain, growth and development, such as allow the child to find out the problems and solve the problems himself. Teacher should be only a supervisor. Educator's work is to supervise the work, not to feed information and make the child a passive listener. There is a need to involve the children in active participation.
What is the role of educator?
Educator will simply work as a facilitator. He will supervise what is going in the class. rather than imposing his own ideas upon the child. The child may have better knowledge about, better concept about something. The child may have some creative ideas about a topic. The teacher may not be able to give the same idea. The books cannot be simply a source of information. It should be a source of research, creativity, knowledge, exploration.
Important of educator.
Educator is important
Why?
because he has to plan his, he has to plan his class according to the need of the hour. For example, what is the need of the present hour? You tell me. आज के युग में क्या चीज की जरूरत है? नई खोज करने की जरूरत है.
New invention.
हाँ, so new invention and
Discoveries.
The child must be encouraged to think originally.
Think about
and just develop an idea of curious mind, like questioning, developing questioning, scientific temperament, learning through creativity, not going by tradition. जैसे पहले क्लास में क्या था, इट वॉज जस्ट ए लेक्चर. अभी धीरे धीरे चेंज हो रहा है. देखिए,
Okay.
द चाइल्ड्स पार्टिसिपेशन इन द लर्निंग प्रोसेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Am I right or wrong? Tell me.
Right.
जब आप 40 बच्चों को इन्वॉल्व कीजिएगा, 40 तरह की आइडियाज आएगी. एवरी चाइल्ड इज ए जेम. वो 40 बच्चे जो हैं, 40 स्टूडेंट्स आर हैविंग 40 डिफरेंट पोटेंशियल. तो यूटिलाइज देयर पोटेंशियल to make a versatile learning atmosphere.
What is the difference between role of educator for 1990s and 220 after?
Yes, actually earlier the educators were information feeder. केवल इंफॉर्मेशन देते थे, जाते थे, लेक्चर दिए, चले आए. अभी लेक्चर्स की जरूरत नहीं है. देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ लेक्चर. अच्छा, आप बताइए, इतना एजुकेशन साइबर एजुकेशन के थ्रू, डिफरेंट मीडिया के थ्रू, क्या आप समझते हैं बच्चों के पास इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है? दे हैव फुल ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन.
सर,
देखिए, इंफॉर्मेशन उनके पास है, बुक्स भी है, लेकिन वो इंफॉर्मेशन जो आप जबरदस्ती फीड कर रहे हैं, वो साइंटिफिकली दिमाग में जाना चाहिए बच्चों को. मेरा कहने का मतलब, लेट द चाइल्ड अंडरस्टैंड हिज ओन इंपॉर्टेंस, दैट हिज माइंड इज नॉट ए वेसल. पॉट नहीं है कि उसमें कुछ भर दिए, नहीं. हिज माइंड इज हैविंग इनफाइनाइट पोटेंशियल. उसका दिमाग में 100 तरह के आइडियाज हैं. वो सारे आइडियाज तभी ना बाहर आएंगे जब आप उसको फ्रीडम दीजिएगा कि लेट द चाइल्ड एक्सप्लोर कंसेप्ट ऑन हिज ओन. आप इम्पोज मत कीजिए. ठीक है, आपने a+b² = a² + 2ab + b² बता दिया, लेकिन उस फॉर्मूला को कितनी न्यू तरह से, in how many different ways the child can use.
This is good or not?
Application is more important. What I am telling you.
Why?
Because the child will develop new way of inventing ideas, और वही आगे चल करके रिसर्च करके साइंटिस्ट और बनेगा. देखिए, IIT में भी रिसर्च को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दिया जाता है. तो ये रिसर्च
means research is most important.
Exploration, research and creativity. The child's mind must be creative. Some more information you can ask, that how to ignite the mind of the child. Just how to ignite the mind of the child. You can ask. This is a good question.
Sir, what is the goal of education?
Let the children given the opportunity to interact among themselves and find the solution of a problem. मान लीजिए आप एक प्रोजेक्ट दिए, the child may have a different concept of acting upon that project. आप एक डायरेक्शन दे दिए, बस काफी है. Now they will find out whether the information that they have learned is having some new application or not. Tell me. जैसे आपने बताया, आज के युग में जितने तरह से आप कॉन्सेप्ट को डेवलप कीजिए, यू डेवलप द कॉन्सेप्ट इन डिफरेंट वेज. Now you ask question. A child's ability is not to concentrate only on knowledge. He has to develop his own skill, his own creativity, not through memory. Memory has no importance now. आज देखिए, बता रहे आपको, even a class 1 child to a class 2 child has a lot of potential. उसको आप मौका दीजिए, ले जाइए उसको गार्डन में, then you will find that the child will be asking you 100 questions. related to flowers. Am I right?
Right, sir.
तो बच्चों को you allow their mind to become a kind of exploring machine. Let the mind work as exploring machine. समझ रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
और वो इंफॉर्मेशन जो वो देख करके सीखेगा, कर करके सीखेगा,
This is
लर्निंग बाय
most
डूइंग,
important.
वो ज्यादा परपिचुअल होगा. अब आपको क्वेश्चन पूछिए. नाउ यू आस्क क्वेश्चन.
Sir, how do you describe the mind of child?
The child's mind is just like a very diverse psyche. It is having different what you call it, different aspects of knowing and exploring things. It is a complete individuality. A child mind is a complete individuality. It is not like a rotten memory. आप ये मत समझिए कि उसका दिमाग केवल इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए बना है. The child's mind is meant for knowing and exploring things in day-to-day life. ऐसा मत सोचिए. वो स्पोर्ट्स में भी नया तरीका से खेलना चाहता है.
Yes, sir.
वो स्पोर्ट्स में भी अपना साइंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट दिखाना चाहता है. तो लेट द चाइल्ड बी गिवन फ्रीडम टू लर्न एंड शो हिज पोटेंशियल थ्रू क्रिएटिविटी एंड एक्सप्लोरेशन. दैट इज व्हाट आई मीन टू से. समझ रहे हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
कॉपिए मत. और लास्ट क्वेश्चन.
Sir, my last question. How is information stored in your mind?
See, actually information by reading, by looking at things, by listening, there are different ways to store information. लेकिन information store होने के बाद उस information का application ज़्यादा important है. What I am telling you, applying the information and concept in the right direction to find out something new, to explore something new, and to have a scientific approach to learning. What I mean to say, what I am emphasizing, let the child's mind be used to have scientific temperament, logical thinking, creative learning, and involvement, and moreover, potential testing. The child's potential is infinite, and we are giving the child some limited information, which is making the child's mind shrink like a vessel. जैसे कोई vessel में पानी भर दिया, अब उसमें जगह नहीं है. No. Let the child's mind be allowed to have those things.
Means infinity stored.
एकदम. Let the child gain and learn not only by reading and listening. Let the child do something.
And
some
books.
learning must be based on creative ideas and practical thinking. Practical
thinking.
Like जैसे साइंस में देखिए, जब तक आप लैब में बच्चा को नहीं ले जाइएगा, the child will never have perpetual knowledge of the concept. In the similar manner, कंप्यूटर में जब तक बच्चा कंप्यूटर पर काम नहीं करेगा, वो सीखेगा.
No, sir.
So what I am telling you,
for practical
knowledge
is more
important. And do not treat the child as a a container of, देखिए उसका ब्रेन एक जितना हम इंफॉर्मेशन देंगे फीड करते जाएंगे,
yes,
वो फीड हो जाएगा. That will be a root memory which is of no use. आज के युग में रूट मेमोराइजेशन का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है.
है.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
sure I have explained.
Thank you, sir.